Okay, good morning, Group 2. We're just going to practice a few questions before we go into our arithmetic test. So we're just going to practice a little bit of subtraction and some multiplication. Okay, so we're going to have a try at this one first. 126 subtract 40. So have a think, how could we do that? Have a go. Now, I'm just going to demonstrate a few ways. So I need to take away 4 tens. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so I could just count backwards going down. So my hundreds are going to stay the same. I'm going to change 1 less 10 is 1, and my sixes will stay the same. I'm not changing my sixes at all. They will stay the same. Let me just put a line there. Okay, so I've taken away 1 10. Okay, I need to take away another 10. So I just want to go to this column first, my tens column. There we go, 0. The 6 will stay the same because we're just taking away tens. Now we're left with 106. Now what we're going to do here. So you can see I'm on 0. So I've actually got here 1 10, no tens. Another way to say it is, well, I've got 11 tens here. 100 and 110 is the same as 11 tens. And now I'm on 10 tens. So 1 less would be 9 tens. And that 6 is going to stay the same. And take away another 10. So the answer is 86. You could do it as a number line. So you could have there 126. Go back 10, 116, 106, 96, 86. And taking away hundreds each time. Again, you could do column subtraction. Six take away 0 is 6. 2 take away 4 we can't do. So go next door. And 12 take away 4 is 8. But I think a less formal method, because this is what we do in our heads, like mental methods. We count back in tens. Okay? So the answer, therefore, would be 86. Now there are other ways, so let's just explore another way for a minute. So if I had 126, subtract 40, I could take away 2 tens straight away to give me 106. So now it becomes 106 take away 20, and I need to take another 2 tens away. So that'll be 86. But I prefer maybe doing a number line or just by counting down like this. I think they're kind of sort of fail-safe ways to do it. Okay, this time I've got 7,300 subtract 500. And again, different ways to do that. So I can see I've got 300 there and 500 there. So if I take 300 off this number straight away, obviously I've got to do the same here. So 5 take away 3 will be 2. 200. If I take 300 away from there, that leaves me with 7,000. So now I've got 7,000 take away 200. So that'd be 6,900, 6,800. Or I could just do it like this. 7,300, and I'm going to take away 500. So it's the hundreds that we're taking away. Don't need to change my ones, nor my tens. So 1 less would be 200. And my 7 would stay the same. 100 less will be 100. And my 7 stays the same. My 100, I'm only changing my thousands stay the same. I'm only changing my hundreds. So take another 100 away. So see, each time I'm only changing the hundreds. However, now we're on 0, what's going to happen? Now, if you look over here, 7,200 is the same as 72 hundredths, 71 hundredths, 70 hundredths. So if I wanted to take 100 away, that would now be 6,900 or 6,900. Now I've taken away 1, 2, 3, 4 hundredths. How many more do I need to take away? One more. So now it becomes 6,800, 6,800. Okay. And now just in some multiplication. So here's an example, 14 times 3. Well, you could count up in your threes, but you'd be there forever, wouldn't you? So you could partition that into 10 and 4. So 10 times 3 equals what? And 4 times 3 equals what? So 10 threes, put my 3 there and make it 10 times bigger, put my 0 on. 4 threes, 3, 6, 9, 12. Bingo. Add them up. 42. You could do the more formal method, which is the column method. So there's my 10s, there's my 1s. 4 times 3 is 12. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Add the 1 is 4. So 2 different methods for you to have a go at there, okay?